joke on?
Hey guys, it's Mac. Oh, there's George jumping.
So when it's
George
square,
is
it's
with
recording?
me. So I'm starting a new kind of video. So it's a dirt bike video. There's my uncle in the
Here they come.
black hat. Here comes Elliot in the green helmet, which is my helmet. There's George. Oh yeah. So there's me. I'm starting a new kind of video. So we go ride dirt bikes and stuff. Look, bad thing is the season's over. Almost over. Yeah. I don't know what's happening right now. Apparently my uncle is being a traffic cop right now. So, there's George. I don't know what my cousin Elliot's doing in that little 50, but he isn't going anywhere. I think he conked it out. Yeah, I'm not making. Sorry, I haven't been making any train videos. There's George there. I made one. I'm editing it right now. So, yeah.
You gotta turn the idle up or something on that.
We gotta do some snow riding or running the 4-wheelers and stuff. I don't know.
Here he comes.
Did you have a cop again? Here I come. Because this jump's gonna be pretty big. What that little jump? Why aren't you talking, George?
That's me.
You're afraid?
Nope.
Yeah. Why aren't you talking? Yep. Here's why.
Cause I don't.
Well, you're the main. You said you're the main part of this video.
In the video, I am.
Exactly.
In the video, I am.
Oh, there's George. You pointed again.
And I'm like to start the show.
The reason I'm wearing that pink helmet is because, yeah, my cousin on the 50, he didn't have a helmet, so I let him borrow mine, and I'm using my mom's. So, yeah. Here I come.
Big jump, big jump.
I'll make the, I don't know, I'm wearing the pink and red warrior. Pink, red, white warrior.
Yep. And I am in yellow and blue.
Elliot must have conked his out.
Very silent now.
Yep.
There's really nothing happening. I have no idea what my dad's doing.
Yeah, he might just want me.
Oh, here I come again.
I'm gonna come in a little.
Here I come. Yeah! Man, it's raining right now. I need to go ride later, but I can't. Yeah!
I love that moment. I should have done my crash here.
My dad's the one recording, so. Yep, here he comes. Or
There's
Elliot.
Elliot.
That's Elliot. You're just gonna be up there. And I'm gonna
Here
be.
no, that's George.
That's me. That's me. Big jump me. Big jump me. Pretty big jump. He's gonna park up there.
And right after we stopped recording, I parked my bike where Elliot parked, right there. I started trying to start it. He was in my way. I tipped the bike over down the hill, so we had to move it. So, yep. Here comes George.
And here comes me. Come on, do a bigger jump.
So, thanks for watching. There'll probably be more of these. See you later. Bye.